Hi guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. In case you are new here, my name is Claudia, and guys, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my content, and for the returning subscribers, thank you so much. And if it's your first time to come across this YouTube channel, kindly subscribe. Make sure you watch the video till the end. And guys, today, as you can see, we are in the streets of Kajiado County, and this is how the things look like in Kajiado. So let me take you around these streets and see how they look like.
Karibia customer uweze kupata cover kwa bei nafuu. Wale wasichana wanashindana wakiniuliza uko na ile cover iko na maua. Ndio hii hapa. Cover ziko na maua ambazo zinavutia. Karibia customer uweze kupata kwa bei nafuu. Karibia customer uweze kupata cover kwa bei nafuu. Wale wanashindana wakiniuliza uko na cover ya kufunika hadi kioo ya chini. Tuko nazo maua na tunakuuzia kwa bei nafuu.
Guys, in Kajiado County we have also Somali people. Yeah, let's walk together and see how Kajiado town looks like. Actually, it's my first time being here. I've never been here before, and it's a good place. It's a good town.
You were always overthinking every little step that you would ever take. As we grew older, you couldn't stop tying yourself into way too many knots. Just relax and feel the flow. It's time for you to let it all go. Catch the waves as they're rolling in. Reach up higher and go follow the sun. Let the breeze come and drift away. Can you feel the fire as you follow the sun? Settle down, just take a breath, and your worried thoughts will slowly fade away. Live in the moment, don't look back. Allow your heart to run free and you'll stay on track. Just relax and feel the flow. It's time.
Vai, stack together.
Kajiado is too hot, very hot. Let's keep on walking and see how Kajiado looks like. They have a nice market there. I will show you later. So let's keep on exploring this town, see how the town looks like. Guys, remember this is Kajiado County. See? It's a beautiful town. It's not a big town, but it's a nice town. Eh? So let's keep on walking around there. Look at this beautiful street here. Guys, remember we are in the streets of Kajiado. I've never been here before, but I'm enjoying. I'm enjoying this place. So good. The place is so cool. The streets are not that populated. So guys, yeah, let's keep on walking. And make sure you subscribe. If you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe. Road to 5,000 subscribers. And for the returning subscribers, I always appreciate. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my content. So let me keep on showing you around. one good thing I like about this place, guys, it's not that populated. It's so deserted. Watch till the end, guys. Subscribe, and guys, thank you so much. See you in the next video.